Assalamu alaikum students. So this is the last part of first module, and in this we are going to discuss 6 key steps to build a successful digital business according to Gartner. So Gartner Incorporation is basically an American research and advisory firm providing information technology related insight to organizations around the globe. Its headquarters are in United States. So according to Gartner, a digital business is not limited to IT phenomena. It is much ahead than that. It is about a full-fledged enterprise with digital expertise spread across that enterprise. Digital business is about revenues, it's about value creation, it's about customers, and technology is just a part of it, and it helps in all these functions. So Gartner has identified 6 key steps for a successful digital business. We'll discuss it one by one. Firstly, step 1 is to create the right mindset and shared understanding. It is what we already discussed, that the right mindset क्या है? Right mindset यही है कि digital business is not only about IT phenomena, it's about all other functions of the business that include revenue generation, that include value creation, and about customers as well. Through this, when new business models can be created, and after that, digital movements continue to evolve. What are the digital movements now? Digital moments, according to Gartner, are the short-term opportunities that are fully used in order to create and expand business. Then step 2 is put the right leaders in place. In business, we have studies who CEOs are, who are the chief operating officers. So 3 types of business roles have emerged with the digital business phenomena, and they are digital strategist, digital marketing leader, digital business unit leader. And there can be one chief digital officer in the organization who can be responsible for all these 3 roles or any of the above mentioned roles. Then step 3 is to launch a digital business center of excellence. Now, what is digital business center of excellence? There's been a continuous change in the processes. There's been a continuous innovation. So there's a need of digital business center of excellence. वो बेसिकली क्या है, उसका एम क्या है? हर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में एक डिजिटल बिजनेस सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस बनाने का मकसद ये है कि वो कॉन्टिन्यूस इनपुट, एडवाइस एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ प्रोवाइड करे टू क्रिएट अ न्यू डिजिटल स्ट्रैटेजी. अब वो कैसे होगा? Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats are examined first, and then people are engaged from all over the organization and from outside the organization as well, and they can be your customers as well. ये सब मिलकर एक जगह बैठते हैं, and जैसा कि बताया गया है कि their aim is to provide input, advice, and opportunities for digital strategy creation, and they provide insights for not only strategy creation but for their successful execution as well. Then step 4 is to formulate a digital strategy to respond to opportunities and threat. Once the necessity of digital strategy has been established, then digital strategy is actually formed, and the following 5 elements are addressed. New digitally enabled business models, yes, and they require new and sources of revenue to create competitive advantages. The product and service portfolio with the emerging digital business models, the products and services are not only the physical products, they can be virtual products as well. Information as an asset Information has always been a very important part of any business. So with digital phenomena, information is considered as an asset, और उसके लिए बहुत से other concerns are also attached, like legal concerns, ethical concerns, privacy concerns about the customer's information. They must also be addressed in a very proper way. टेक्नोलॉजी, जैसा कि हमने लास्ट वीडियो में प्रॉब्ली डिस्कस किया था कि कस्टमर्स हैव अकाउंट्स ऑन एवरी network like Instagram, Facebook, and many others. So they want their data to be available on every single device. So technology has created a lot more opportunities for businesses. Content, media, and channels. Customers want everything available on their devices. Yes, on the cell phones. Most importantly these days, they want the content, media, and channels, everything available digital on their devices. So this creates many opportunities for businesses. Step 5 is to find, develop, and acquire digital business skills and roles. For successful digital business, proper skills and roles are required. According to Gartner's 2014 survey, 42% of CIOs from 77 countries surveyed said their IT organization did not have the right skills and capabilities in place to meet upcoming digital business challenges. So as digital business picks up speed, more appropriate skills are required. Step 6 is to create new digital business capabilities. जैसे जैसे डिजिटल बिजनेस ग्रो करता है, मोर एंड मोर डिजिटल एक्सपर्टीज आर रिक्वायर्ड, थ्रू विच ट्रेडिशनल वेज ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट सीम insufficient, or online ways are coming up. Now we all know about it. So digital business capabilities can be acquired by applying digital business and digital technologies to the distribution of work and look at piloting new channels. ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को बेसिकली लर्निंग प्रोग्राम्स लॉन्च करने की ज़रूरत है आजकल टू थ्रू आउट देयर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड आउटसाइड देयर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस एज वेल टू फुल्ली achieve the competitive advantage and to spread their digital expertise across the organization. So these were all the 6 key steps actually to build a successful digital business according to Gartner. And with this we are done with module 1, and in the coming video we are going to discuss module 2 and the topics in the module.